This is the video how to create a knowledge article. In this video, learn how to create a knowledge article in Confluence. To create a knowledge article, first navigate and log into Illinois State University's Confluence page. On the Confluence homepage, click the Create button. In the Create window that appears, the templates available to you will be listed. Use the created templates in Confluence to create knowledge articles. By using the templates, you can ensure that you are using the same format as other articles. Alternatively, there is a blank page option that will allow you to create a knowledge article with no template. For this example, we will select How To Article. After selecting your template, click the Next button. The window will change to a window titled Create a How-To Article. In this window, enter the name of your how-to article in the name field. Then enter any labels to the article in the labels field. Once you have entered the name and labels, click the Create button. This will open your knowledge article page. For this example, our knowledge article contains the how-to template. This screen contains icons at the top of the screen, like what is seen in a text box. Use these icons to change the font, format the text, attach pictures and hyperlinks, among other actions. The title that you have entered for your article is automatically listed at the top of this page. Below, instructions and prompts on other information to put in your article will be listed. For this example, the template has the prompt, describe when someone would need this information. For example, when connecting to Wi-Fi for the first time. Enter your description in this field. Additionally, since this is a how-to template, there is a space with prompts to add steps to instruct users on how to complete the process. Depending on the nature of the article, write the content of your article. There are two methods to enter images or attachments to your article. The first method is to select the Insert Files and Images icon at the top of the text box. In the Insert Files and Images window that appears, click the Upload File button to open your Windows Explorer window. Use this window to select the file, document, or image from your computer to attach to the article. Alternatively, drag and drop images directly into your article. Toward the bottom of this template is the Related Articles section. Use this section to add hyperlinks to articles that are related to the article that you're writing. To add the hyperlinks, click the Insert More Content icon at the top of the screen. This icon looks like a plus button. In the drop-down menu that appears, click Link. In the Insert Link window that appears, the search screen will open by default. Stay on this screen and click on the search bar. Enter the term or terms that are part of the knowledge article that you would like to link. A list of applicable articles will appear below. Click on the article you would like to link. Then click the Insert button. This will return you to the editing page and your link will be in place. Add macros to your article to alert users to important information that needs to be read. These macros are pre-made blocks of text that can be inputted into articles. These blocks can be edited to contain more specific information related to the macro. To add a macro, click the Insert More Content icon at the top of the screen. This icon looks like a plus button. In the drop-down menu that appears, click Other Macros. The Select Macro window will appear, containing the macros that can be used. Select a macro. The window will change to contain a field titled Alert Title. Enter a title that describes that type of information the user will read. Then click the Insert button. This will close the window and the macro will appear in your template. Click the blank space in the macro to write text related to the macro that you have inserted. At the bottom right of the screen are three more dots. Click on this icon to open a small menu. In this menu, click the Preview link to open a preview of your article in a new tab. Click Delete Unpublished Page to close and not save your article. To the left of the three more dots is the Close button. Click this button to close your article. Confluence will automatically save your article as a draft so that you can return to it to edit it later. Once you are finished with the article, click the Publish button.